SEI is everywhere right now. Other than Bitcoin, it's probably the biggest crypto project in the news recently. Okay, but what is it? How is it different? And how can we make money from it? Welcome to our channel. My name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz. I will always wish you the very best of luck if you choose to invest. You just got to remember that I am not a financial or investment advisor, and so by extension, this video is not official financial or investment advice. Imagine centralized exchange trading access and liquidity, but with no KYC. You can get the volume and the pricing you need without any KYC requirements using ByteFi. It's true. You can trade over 400 trading pairs in the spot market or 150 pairs in the perps market, and you can withdraw 0.5 BTC daily. Plus, fees are super low. We're talking 0.6% for futures and perp trades. Slippage is basically non-existent, and you can trade with up to 200 times leverage or set and forget with the auto invest. And again, all with no KYC. You're also going to get up to $8,698 in bonuses for trying ByteFi, along with a free month of our money-making Altcoin Buzz Alpha service just for giving ByteFi a try. You can check out this deal by clicking the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment below. So let's start from the top here. SEI is a financial app chain, and this is the first difference between it and other layer 1 chains. Many, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Cardano, are kind of general purpose layer 1 chains, which means that any project that wants to can build on it. But app chains are built with specific apps in mind. So for instance, Ronin and IMX are game chains. They are built specifically for games to build on their chains. And the concept with SEI is similar, but instead of games, they focus on finance. So this means that when it comes to all the tech decisions they make about building out their chain, specifically consider what financial firms are going to need. And at first, they need speed and scalability if it's trading or moving money in any kind of way. But secondly, they need security, high levels of security. And that means of the 3 pillars of the blockchain trilemma, the one that's most likely to suffer or fall short is decentralization. And that's okay, as long as users understand this from the very beginning. SEI is giving legacy financial and trading companies the blockchain components they want. SEI is working on protocol adoption by working with the 2 biggest virtual machines for compatibility, EVM and COSM WASM. Now for EVM, SEI offers a parallelized EVM. This means in the EVM environment, you can run multiple transactions all at the same time. This increases speed and throughput in the system and is a new way of running an EVM, and SEI is the first to offer it. For COSM WASM, as a Cosmos Layer 1, they are already compatible with this, and it's most commonly known as WebAssembly. SEI has smart contracts in WASM, W-A-S-M, already. And so the bottom line is that SEI is compatible with both, and transactions, consequently, are fast. And I mentioned that SEI has been in the news quite a bit lately. A lot of that can be attributed to its huge upward price action. We're looking here at a snapshot of the last 3 months, but the question is, has it gone up too fast and maybe too far? Well, right now, as we can see, it's number 46 in terms of rankings by market cap on CoinGecko.com. It's up about 250% in the last 30 days. Let's zoom in a little bit here to the 1-month snapshot. The performance has been incredible, and it went up from its all-time low of 9.5 cents to its current price of 80, almost 81 cents. That's about a 7x or 680% roughly as an increase in only the last 90 days. For reference, that all-time low was on the 19th of October, 2023, so just about 3 months ago. And we are now officially within 10% of the previous all-time high, which was set 2 weeks ago in early January. As a financial app chain, SEI needs one thing for huge adoption. Legacy TradFi has to jump in and use blockchain, but bring the volumes that come with legacy finance. That's the Fidelities, the BlackRocks, the Franklin Templetons of the world. And not coincidentally, all 3 of those names are part of the 11 Bitcoin ETF approvals. So, with that being said, let me leave you with this one question to ponder. After seeing how successfully their Bitcoin ETFs launched, do you think that these legacy finance companies are likely to use blockchain more less or the same as they have been doing, which is basically not at all. If you think, like I do, that the Bitcoin ETFs are really just the tip of the iceberg, a catalyzing event, if you will, that will allow legacy finance to really start using blockchain, if that's your logic, then what follows is that it makes sense to research further on financial app chains. And SEI is no doubt a leader doing incredible things in that space. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors, and additionally, we're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. And if you're into passive income and airdrops, just check out the number that we've received until now. Add to that the original TIA airdrop and all the others that are upcoming. We've achieved this by giving several deeply researched and diversified calls. Just check out some of these numbers from December 2023, last month. And right now, the plan moving forward is to reallocate profits to low caps, to diversify into new segments, to keep getting bigger and better airdrops, to catch the latest trends like Bitcoin and Linea inscriptions, and to dollar cost average during market flushes. We just recently introduced a yearly subscription to Patreon, and you can take advantage of that because if you subscribe to that yearly plan for a limited time, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check us out by clicking on the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment below.